There is a growing number of financial products that track the prices of baskets of cryptocurrencies. These products are called exchange-traded commodities and they're mostly issued by banks and they are always physically backed. That means that every euro that is invested in one of these funds is physically backed by actual cryptocurrency. If you are somebody who is in Europe, then it is quite easy for you as a retail investor to actually buy into one of these funds as well. Let's have a look at Degiro here, for example. If you just search for the term crypto under their ETF trackers, then you will come up with 4 different financial products that you can use. So there is the 21 shares crypto basket index, the WisdomTree crypto market, the WisdomTree crypto altcoins, and the WisdomTree crypto mega cap. If you are not already signed up to Degiro, there is a link below in the description section that will get you €50 in free commissions when you sign up using that link. Let's have a closer look now and see what cryptocurrencies these products are actually tracking. So let's have a look at these individually. The first one I'm going to have a look at here is the 21 shares crypto basket index. This one has assets under management of 192 million, so it's pretty big. It tracks the top 5 cryptocurrencies and it weights them according to their market cap. So how it actually does that is it takes the expected 2050 circulating supply and multiplies it by today's market price. So if I come down here now, I'll be able to see the different weightings. So top 5 cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, ETH, Polkadot, Solana and Cardano. So they are weighted on those market caps with the 2050 circulating supply. So that's why you are seeing that the likes of Polkadot is the 3rd highest weighted in this fund. Bitcoin, being the biggest by far, obviously dominates the fund, taking up nearly 50% of the weighting. It's not a bad index to follow though. It does cover all of your layer 1 blockchains and gives you exposure with one investment. Now let's check out some of the other 3. So the other 3 products are issued by WisdomTree. So let's have a look at the WisdomTree mega cap one first. And just so you know, these products are listed on Swiss exchanges and currently can only be passported across to these following countries. So you can only invest in these products if you are from any of these countries. So this mega cap equal weight, I think, tries to keep Bitcoin and ETH at 50-50. You can see it's just slightly off 50-50 at the moment, but it will probably rebalance at the end of every day to try and get it back to 50-50. So if you just wanted to invest in Bitcoin and ETH, you could just do that with one simple product. Next up, let's have a look at the WisdomTree crypto altcoins. So this product doesn't look at Bitcoin or ETH, it looks at Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. And these are the weightings here on the right hand side as you can see them. It's not the worst. I like Solana, Cardano and Polkadot, but I don't think I would be putting any of my money into the likes of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, but that's just my opinion. And this index is then weighted again on the free float market cap of these cryptocurrencies. So the allocation will change as the market caps of these cryptocurrencies change. And the last one then we have to look at here is the WisdomTree crypto market. This one is pretty much the same as the last one, but they have added in Bitcoin and Ethereum into the mix. So they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Again, this is weighted according to market cap. So Bitcoin is so huge, it's going to take up a big part of the fund. The only concern I would have with these WisdomTree products is they are quite small when you compare it to the 21 shares product we were looking at there a minute or two ago. They have assets under management of only 2 million or so compared to the 21 shares one, which had an asset under management of what was 192 million here. So this one seems like a much safer investment if you were going to be picking one of these. So what exactly is the appeal of these products when you can just go out and buy cryptocurrency the normal way? The first advantage, in my opinion, is that you can just make one single investment and get instantly diversified in cryptocurrency. Instead of having to go out and buy 5 or 6 different cryptocurrencies and then manage that portfolio and the balance of it, you can just do it with one single investment. Secondly, I think people are still terrified of using things like wallets and addresses and secret keys, especially people in older generations. They just want to be able to invest in cryptocurrency and not worry about all of the tech side of things. Another small advantage of these products is some of them have fixed weightings. So let's say if you had a fund that was 50-50 between ETH and Bitcoin, and if the price of Bitcoin went up relative to the price of Ethereum, it would take some profit from your Bitcoin and buy a bit more Ethereum just to balance it out to 50-50 again. So at least you are constantly rebalancing your portfolio, not having to worry about any tax or anything like that. As with everything, there are going to be some downsides as well. Firstly, the fees are quite expensive on these products. If we have a look at those WisdomTree products, they have fees ranging from 0.95% up to 1.45%. content. Secondly, there are concerns about the security of the crypto that is backing these funds. So some of that will be held by exchanges like Coinbase, and some of it will be held with banks. In the detail of the documents here, they say that they keep these cryptocurrencies stored in cold wallets for the best security, but if there was a situation where there is a major hack, then you are unlikely to have much comeback on it. But I suppose if you're buying cryptocurrencies the normal way, you're going to be facing the threat of hacks anyway. So that is pretty much it for my video today. I'd be interested to know, would you ever consider investing in one of these types of products as opposed to buying cryptocurrencies directly? Please let me know your thoughts below. With that, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to drop a like on it and subscribe to the channel.